If you're looking for more freedom and independence in your life, it's hard to find a better option than making money online. Commission Hero promises to show you how. And it's a big promise, a $1,000 per day promise. At least $1,000 per day is what the creator of Commission Hero claims to make. There is no reason to doubt him, but when big numbers like that get thrown around, it's hard not to think it's a scam. Especially when he also says, no experience required. Of course, that doesn't mean it's a scam, but if you're looking to make money online and you're ready to invest in a course that shows you how, you want to know it's not a scam, right? So, in this Commission Hero review, I'm going to explain what it is, how it works, who created it, and of course, whether it's a legit way to make money online or just another scam. Who is Robby Blanchard? Robby claims to be the world's #1 Clickbank affiliate with monthly sales of over $920,000. He's shared screenshots of the CB leaderboard which do confirm this claim, and his IG is full of the claim too. He makes money running traffic from Facebook to gateway pages and then onto Clickbank. He also owns physical businesses in the CrossFit niche as well as a keen golfer and traveler. There are no overhyped photos like we've come to expect from affiliate courses. What is Commission Hero? Commission Hero is an affiliate marketing course taught by Robby Blanchard, the top-selling Clickbank affiliate in the world, that teaches you how to use paid Facebook ads to make money promoting Clickbank products. Commission Hero is a step-by-step tutorial where Robby Blanchard accompanies you from start to finish, all the way to your destination. This course has been divided into 12 modules. In addition to lucrative strategies, you will also find valuable tips and tricks in the technical field and various hacks. As the whole thing looks exactly, we will take a closer look at the following sections, so be sure to read my review through to the end. What you'll learn inside the training course. Before signing up to the core training modules, Robby will invite you to register for the free Commission Hero webinar where he'll run you through exactly how affiliate marketing works, how he earned more than $1 million in Clickbank commissions in January 2019, and how you can get results by following his step-by-step program. Once inside the members area, you'll find an 11-module video course where Robby takes you through everything in a structured and simple way that's easy to follow. I really like Robby's no-nonsense teaching style because everything he is saying comes from his own experience. Being the #1 Clickbank seller in the world obviously means he knows exactly what works and what doesn't. Over the years he knows how to choose the best products to promote, how to target his audience and refined his ad campaigns process. Now here he is sharing his top techniques and strategies with us. Anyone, even complete beginners, who watches the videos and applies what they're learning can be very successful at this. By leveraging Robby's knowledge and years of experience, you're effectively shaving years off your road to success because you can avoid the common newbie mistakes, the fumbling around trying to figure it all out on your own, and just get to the how-to practical stuff that works. Here's a full breakdown of what you'll be learning in the training. Module 1, Welcome. In this quick welcome video, Robby gives you a general overview of what's to come in the course. Module 2, Getting Started. You get quick idea of how affiliate marketing works, the tools needed such as ClickFunnels. How to put it all together and make it work. Module 3, Choosing the Right Offers. Now he gets into the meaty stuff, starting with how to find the highest converting Clickbank offers that are going to give you highest commission rates. Clickbank have thousands of different products and services available, from dating advice courses to losing belly fat guides, so you'll have no issue finding relevant offers that match the needs and wants of your target audience. Module 4, Finding Your Ad Image. When it comes to marketing, you need to stand out from the crowd. In this 4-video module, Robby gives you his highest performing the images to ensure you get the most click-throughs. Module 5, Setting Up a Landing Page. A landing page is where you send traffic and get them to opt into your offers. Robby does a great job in this module of explaining how to get your landing pages set up and exactly what elements to include to maximize conversions. Module 6, Setting Up Facebook. Commission Hero revolves around using paid traffic. In this module, he shows you how to set up your first Facebook ad campaign, how to target a specific buying audience and demographic. He really goes in depth with a live case study here to give you practical, over-the-shoulder training on exactly how to drill down and specify who will see your ads to ensure you run successful and profitable ad campaigns. Module 7, Setting up Facebook Pixel. Not all traffic will act first time around, and here's how to leverage Facebook Pixel to retarget those who have already shown an interest, but haven't quite got to the add to cart stage yet. Module 8, Tracking your campaign. Robby walks you through how to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns to ensure you're always making a profit. By tracking your ads, it takes the guesswork out. You'll learn how to tweak the ads that aren't working and scale the ones that are. Module 9, Scaling. Learn how to take the successful ads that are converting and scale them up in order to drive more traffic and make more money. Module 10, Ninja Tactics. There are certain things that you can do in order to have an advantage over other marketers. In this module, learn how to see what your competitors are doing with their ads. Plus other things such as financing ads with a credit card and dealing with Facebook if they shut down your account. Module 11, Bonuses. The best thing about this training for me is how Robby gives you his winning landing pages and images you can use. In this module, he gives you his done-for-you ad campaigns that he's already done the split testing for in the weight loss, internet marketing and relationship niches. Module 12, Spotlight Offers. These are special deals that you get to access to. Module 13, Exclusive Extra Bonus. These are secret and only for paid members. Module 14, Inner Circle Coaching. Get help from Robby himself whenever you need it, plus access to the Facebook group. By now you should probably have a good idea about this course and whether or not you should buy it. Some things to consider are going to be not only how much Commission Hero costs but the ongoing cost of running Facebook ads. Although Robby gives you a lot of training and the same tools he uses to run a successful affiliate business, you need to spend money to make money with this course. Some questions to ask yourself before buying: do I have $200 to $300 to spend on advertising per month? Do I have 2 to 3 hours per day to work on my business? Will I give this enough time to work? These are important questions to ask yourself. Once you buy the course for $997, you're going to need an advertising budget of a couple $100 minimum to run Facebook ads. Although you get training on how to do this, there is no guarantee that you will be able to convert visitors into money. So you have to be willing to lose some money to see what works and learn. Commission Hero Pros. Robby Blanchard is the real deal. Not only that, but he's unlike many gurus because he doesn't only promote products in the make money online niche. Robby came from the fitness niche, and he also makes money promoting products and services related to dating and relationships. A one-time payment for complete course and no crazy high-ticket upsells. Commission Hero is not a self-promoting sales funnel. You are learning to create your own campaigns in any niche you choose, which is a nice change from the mountain of make money online systems that only teach you to promote the same system to other people, who then promote that same system to more people, and so on. Commission Hero Cons. It's a little pricey. It's not out of line with similar products, but if you're just getting started with limited resources, the cost of the product, the tools required to make it work, and paid traffic add up. No email marketing or list building training. Paid traffic. I'm not saying you can't make money with paid traffic, but it's risky. If you're not careful and extremely strategic about it, you might as well flush your money down the toilet. 12-month money-back guarantee success policy. I don't like it, but I get why Robby chose 12 months before considering refunds. I highly recommend becoming an affiliate marketer to anyone looking to build an online income stream for themselves and achieve financial freedom. Affiliate marketing is by far my favorite way to make money online, and for good reason. You're promoting other people's products, so there's no need to worry about storage and shipping costs. Creating products yourself and the fact it's all done online means your affiliate marketing business can reach any of the 4 billion plus people who are online every day. Although you need to put the work in up front, once you've found a profitable Facebook campaign, earning an income can be pretty passive. Robby makes over $1,000 a day and says he only works about an hour or two per day tweaking his campaigns. Commission Hero is a legit training course and a great opportunity to learn from Robby Blanchard, one of the most successful affiliate marketers out there right now who's killing it on Facebook. You need to carefully consider the other costs we've talked about before diving in head first, and you should probably set an ad budget of around $1,000 to get started with. If you're a beginner with a startup capital to invest, or an experienced marketer looking for a step-by-step guide on leveraging Facebook as a lucrative traffic source, then you should definitely enroll in Commission Hero and have no second thoughts about it.